Students, before you go back to school, here are 5 things that you might be leaving in your car that this summer heat can damage. 1. Mace or pepper spray. See, it's a pressurized canister, and when it gets hot, the pressure inside increases. With that pressure, it can leak or get damaged. And the worst time to find out that it doesn't work is when you actually need it. 2. Your inhaler. The extreme heat can affect the medicine that's inside and the pressure that's inside the canister. It may look and you may think it looks perfectly fine, but it might not perform the way you need it to. 3. Your EpiPen. Yeah, the heat can damage that too. This is emergency medication, so don't leave it in the hot sun. 3. Your laptop. Here's one people don't think about. Your laptop might work perfect, seem perfect after leaving it in the car, but the heat is hard on lithium. Months later, you might be wondering, why doesn't my battery last like it used to? Repeated heat exposure can be part of that reason. 5. Your cell phone. Same idea. Heat damages batteries. Your phone might shut itself off because it's protecting itself from the heat, but repeatedly cooking the battery in the car will shorten its life. And remember, when it's hot outside, it's even hotter inside your car. So when you go to school, don't just grab your backpack, grab these things too. Thank you for joining me with my morning coffee. My name is Victor. I'm the car guy. Stay safe and have a great school year.